Hello students, you are again welcome. Now let us learn Python. So this is the first topic, that is history of Python. The history of Python is Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989 while working at CWI. Python was released as open source in February 1991. So Guido van Rossum is a Dutch programmer. He was born on 31st January 1956 in Netherlands. Presently, he is 64 years old and his nationality is Dutch. So Guido named this language Python after the very popular television show Monty Python's Flying Circus. It was a British television show, so he was not inspired by the giant python. Instead, he was inspired by that Monty Python's Flying Circus and he named this language after this television show. The foundation of Python was laid down in the late 1980s. He started working on 1989. The implementation of Python was started in the December 1989 by Guido van Rossum at CWI in Netherlands. Python is greatly influenced by ABC language and Modular 3 language. So what are the features of Python? Python is basically very powerful language. So it has the following features. It is simple and easy to learn. Why it is simple? Because we can write the program very easily. The syntax is very easy. A very beginner level can also start learning Python without any difficulty. Interactive and beginner's language. It is interactive. A beginner can easily understand how to write instructions because the instructions which are written in Python is in very simple form. Interpreted. It uses interpreter. The program we write in Python is interpreted line by line. It executes line by line, hence it is very easy to debug. Free and open source. It is totally free. We can download it free of cost along with the source code, and we can give contribution to it also. Cross-platform. It supports various platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry. So it is portable also. Object-oriented. As we know that object-oriented paradigm is very powerful paradigm, since we can just develop a very complex and large project without any complexity. So it follows object-oriented paradigm. So features like class, object, inheritance is supported by this language. Extensible. Other languages code such as C, C++ can be used to compile it. Provides large library. It has large library for various software developments. Integrated. Used to glue together steer existing components. Means we can integrate the various components of C, C++, Java to Python. Python is dynamically typed. Dynamically typed language means we can use any variable without defining it. It will be automatically defined by the Python itself. So there is no need to declare the variables beforehand. supports multiple program paradigms. We can write programs in Python in procedural form, object-oriented form, and functional form. So it supports multiple program paradigms. Now this is the next topic, applications of Python. So what are the applications of Python? Desktop GUI application. So we can develop any graphical user interface based application with the help of tkinter GUI toolkit. Web development with the help of web framework, Django, Pyramid, and Flask. Machine learning. Python is very popular for machine learning and artificial intelligence. For this, we have huge library, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and NLTK. Data science. It is also very important term nowadays. Python is very popular for creating application with data science libraries, and this is basically used for creating research based analysis, and it is heavily used with various software nowadays. So for this, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib libraries are there. Image processing. For image processing, we have OpenCV library. Game development, it also supports game development. So Pygame library is there. IoT application, Internet of Things, like embedded system based application, we can developing a quick model for a project. So it is also used for prototyping. 3D CAD applications. It is also used for 3D CAD application, that is designing based softwares. Organization using Python. So Python is very popular language because of its very strong features. So nowadays most of the popular companies uses Python. Google, which uses Python in the Spider and search engine, YouTube, Mozilla, Dropbox, Microsoft, Cisco, Spotify, Facebook, and there are number of companies which are using Python. So these are the various versions of Python. After the development of Python, there are numerous versions, lot of versions are there. But I have just pointed out the main versions. The first Python 0.9.0 first release. Then next was Python 1.0, which was released in January 1994. Python 2.0, October 16, 2000. Python 3.0, December 3, 2008. Python 3.7.2, June 20. Python 2.0, October 16, 2000. Python 3.0, December 3, 2008. Python 3.7.2, June 27, 2018. Python 3.82. So again, the last slide to say thank you. So please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.